it's all right with you, no? You were with Sam Milby for how many years?
We were together 4 years.
4 years. You've never really spoken about it, and I understand that. But many people wished you were still together. Is it all right to ask you, essentially, what happened? Are you still hopeful about love?
Sa Valentine's special vlog ng TV Patrol Angkor na si Karen Davila ay nakapanayam niya si Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray. Doon ay naging bukas ang beauty queen na pag-usapan ang masalimuot na kinahinatnan ng nooy pagmamahalan nila ng aktor na si Sam Milby. Matatanda ang inanunsyo ni na Sam at Catriona noong February 2023 na engaged na silang dalawa. Ibinahagi ni Catriona kay Karen na makaraan lamang ang ilang buwan matapos mag-propose sa kanya ang aktor ay bigla raw nagbago ang takbo ng isip nito nang magtapat itong hindi pa pala ito handa sa pag-aasawa. Ikinagulat niya raw ito at labis na ikinadurog ng puso't kalooban niya. Dagdag pa niya, sinubukan daw niyang ayusin at ipaglaban ang relasyon nila ng aktor at handa raw siya sa anumang adjustment na hihingin nito. Ngunit habang tumatagal ay napagtanto raw niyang tila siya na lamang ang sigurado at may gusto sa relasyon nilang dalawa.
There was a point in our relationship where I think he just realized that he wasn't ready to take it to the stage of commitment that we thought we were on because he had proposed. And then a few months later realized that hindi pala siya ready. So that was very hurtful for me, and I was really blindsided at the time. And I really tried to make it work. So I was willing to adjust because siguro when you love someone, you're willing to understand them. Pero it got to a point na at that age and what we've been through, kung hindi ka pa rin sure, I think that's an answer already.
Inamin naman ng beauty queen na hindi raw naging madali ang tuluyang pagsuko sa relasyon nila ng aktor, lalo na't mahal na mahal niya ito noon. Ngunit ayon sa kanya, mas nanaig umano ang desisyon niyang piliin ang kanyang sarili dahil alam niyang naibigay na raw niya ang lahat para sa aktor. Sinabi rin ni Catriona na pangarap daw niyang makasal sa lalaking pinakamamahal niya at magkaroon ng sariling pamilya. Pero paano raw niya ito magagawa kung ang lalaking mahal niya ay hindi pa sigurado sa kanya?
Absolutely. It was one of the hardest things to do, but I realized that I needed to choose myself in that moment because I had already given so much in trying to adjust. Ako mag-give dito, it's okay, I'll be understanding, and I don't look down on myself in that moment because I did it because I love the person, no? Pero at the end of the day, like if it's not a relationship that is giving two-way, and also as a woman, like I want to have a family, like I want to get married, and I'd love to be a mom one day, and so I really want a partner who values me and sees that future with me too. Ayoko ma-wait around for someone to figure out.
Sa kabila ng masakit na pinagdaanan niya, iginiit ng aktres na tanggap na raw niya ngayon ang nangyari at ibang-iba umano iyon sa naramdaman niya noon kaya't ipinagkibit balikat niya ang ingay sa social media tungkol sa dahilan ng hiwalayan nila. Hindi rin daw niya ikinahiyang ibahagi ang pinagdaanan niya para tuluyang gamutin ang sugat na naidulot ng relasyon nila ng aktor.
I think that heartbreak taught me a lot because I was really shattered. And to navigate that publicly was really hard too because I didn't want to talk about it kasi ang sakit niya. And to everyone who kept asking like, anong nangyari? Bakit hindi kayo nag-post together? What's happening? And I was so broken. Like, I'm just like, please let me grieve.
Yeah.
Pero obviously now, like I'm so much better. I went into therapy for 2 years. I became so close with my core group, my friends, my family in a way that I don't think I had before. So it's just been a really healing journey. I feel like I came back home to myself. So the version of me now, I'm the healthiest I've ever been. My relationships with the people around me are the richest they've ever been. And so in a way, I see the blessing in the hurt. And a year, 2 years ago, I couldn't even say
Oh,
that.
wow! I agree.
Tanong ni Karen kay Catriona, are you still hopeful about love? Sagot ng beauty queen actress, absolutely. I definitely believe in love. I think if you've had a bad experience with a guy or two, you shouldn't allow that to reframe or change how you see love. Cause I think love is beautiful. And I feel like God's will for us is to find someone to be married with and to have love with. So if it's not yet good, God's not yet finished. Ayon pa sa kanya, ipinagdarasal daw niya araw-araw na ipagkaloob nawa ng Diyos ang lalaking itinadhana para sa kanya. Ito rin umano ang dahilan kung bakit minabuti ng aktres na muling sumubok sa paghahanap ng ibigin niya sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-date. Kasunod nito ay ibinunyag niyang nagde-date na raw sila ng non-showbiz guy na hindi niya pinangalanan.
Are you praying for your partner?
Absolutely.
You
I
are?
pray for my future husband all the time.
You are? Are you ready to date again?
Yeah,
Are you
absolutely.
dating?
I am.
Wow, Catriona Gray is dating.
Yeah.
And I want to ask, showbiz, non-showbiz?
Non-showbiz.
Matatanda ang kinumpirma ni Sam sa eksklusibong panayam sa kanya ni MJ Felipe ng ABCB News noong February 2025 na nagtapos na ang 4 na taong relasyon nila ni Catriona. Bagamat hindi niya binanggit ang dahilan ng hiwalayan nila, sinabi ng aktor na walang third party sa relasyon nilang dalawa.